Parang nagbago tong si Cash Express, ha? Kung si Cash Express, hindi mo kailangan mag-download para makapag-loan at makapag-take advantage ng 0% interest on your first loan. Buong matatanggap, nagpapahiram ng at least, kung ma-approve ka, no? 10,000 pesos kahit na first timer. At kung repeat borrower ka naman, nasa 20,000 pesos. So, legit siya, guys. Medyo controversial siya dati kasi alam nyo, sinasabi nilang installment, yung lokong to. Hindi naman siya installment. Extend siya, guys. At nasa 1.99% interest siya per day after 7 days. I was never a fan of this loan app. Kahit na legit siya, guys. At nagre-report siya sa CIC. Pero parang may mga changes siya. Parang extend-friendly na siya. Unti-unti na siya naging totoong installment. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano yung changes dito kay Cash Express, which I think mukhang okay, ha? Keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ate Red, your original utang queen. So for today, balikan natin tong si Cash Express kasi may mga na-notice ako, guys, na parang bago sa kanya. Pero let me get this straight. I was not a fan. I'm still not a fan. Kasi ayoko sa mga loan apps na 1.99% yung interest per day. Pero kung kayo naghahanap ng mga loan apps na buong matatanggap at kung sure naman kayo na kung first time nyo, emergency, mababayaran nyo lang naman sa loob ng 7 days, then nasa inyo na yan. Dati, pinapalabas ng ibang mga vloggers na installment siya. Pero, hindi siya installment, guys. Extend siya. Pero, nagbago siya, guys, ha? Extend-friendly na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero, before we go there, let's talk about the application process para makita nyo kung anong meron. So, ito si Cash Express, guys. One ID lang yung kailangan nyo at nagpapahiram siya ng up to 10,000 kung approve kayo kahit na first timer. Siyempre, depende yan sa system. Kung karapat-dapat ba kayo sa 10,000, otherwise, magsisimula kayo sa 1,000. 0% interest on your first loan lang. At first 7 days lang yan. Kung mag-extend ka, mag-a-apply na yung 1.99. Having said that, kung gusto mo pa rin magpatuloy, i-click mo yung apply loan to move on. But before you go there, guys, sabi niya quick approval daw 5 minutes. But of course, that will also depend on the system. Kung okay ba yung mga documents mo or yung application mo. Loan amount up to 20,000 pesos. Pero guys, pag first timer mo, syempre, wag ka may expect ng 20,000, ha? Advanced and secure down, and then fast and convenient, whatever. And then tatlong steps, easy steps, register, get verified, get credited, which at least buo mong matatanggap yung uutangin mo. Maglalagay ka po ng phone number mo and dapat mag-agree ka dyan sa terms and conditions and privacy policy bago makaklik ng continue. Magpapadala po siya ng 4-digit code. By the way, guys, please make sure na yung phone number na gagamitin nyo is the same number na yun din yung sa e-wallet nyo kasi ang hirap magpalit ng number, guys. Hihingi na siya ng personal data, first name, middle name, last name, birth date, email. Ayan. Continue, and then hingi po siya ng additional details like your industry, your work, and monthly salary or income. Nasa inyo na yan kung ano yung dapat yung ilagay, tapos add contact information. Isa lang naman yung hihingi niyang contact, and then you can click continue. Siyempre, isa-select nyo kung ano yung relationship nyo to that person na ginawa nyong contact reference, and yun, payment details na. Ito yung sinasabi ko, guys, na make sure na yung ginamit yung phone number sa login, same din sa receiving e-wallet nyo. Kasi, ang hirap mag-change ng number, guys. Ayaw natin maligaw yung pera, right? Pag-click mo na continue, dun ka na sa selfie. Tapos, may instructions po sa pag-selfie. Just click take a selfie when you're ready. And then, syempre, bibigyan mo ng access si Cash Express sa camera mo. Doon na tayo sa pag-picture ng ID. Pipili ka ng ID na isasubmit mo. Ngayon, marami-rami na, guys. Driver's license, national ID, passport, postal ID, PRC, SSS, and UMID, pwede na. Pinili ko yung SSS, tapos iproprovide mo yung SSS number mo, and then magsascan ka ng ID mo. I-click mo lang yung take photo when you're ready, and dapat, guys, stable yung kamay nyo. Otherwise, magiging blurred siya. Pag blurred siya, parang ang dami niyang error, so dapat steady yung kamay mo. Pag nakuha mo siya, na-capture mo siya nung tama, then processing ID na. And then on the next page, kahit na lumabas yung 10,000, as a first timer, dun tayo stick sa 10,000. I'm not saying that it's okay because 1.99% per day is not okay. Pero it's better than before. So, dati kasi guys, pag nag-i-extend ka, bayaran mo yung interest. Interest yung babayaran mo. So, kung 10,000 yung loan mo, yung interest niyan na 1.77, mag-extend ka every 7 days. Kaya magbabayad ka ng 1,393 every time mag-extend ka. Yung first mong babayaran is 1,600 kung mag-extend ka. Kasi kung magsi 0% ka lang naman, then babayaran mo lahat without interest sa first 7 days. Basta 24 times ka lang pwedeng mag-extend. And in the end, babayaran mo pa rin yung buong amount na 10,000 plus 1,393. So, sino niloloko mo? Yung babayaran mo more than 3 times ng principal mo. So, ito na yung pagbabago niya, guys. Parang extend-friendly na siya. Kasi lumalabas na yung 10,000, syempre, andun pa rin yung processing fee tsaka yung SMS fee na pwede mo rin tanggalin. So, kung magsi 0% ka na 7 days lang kasi first time mo, ayaw mo magbayad ng additional interest, yung babayaran mo is yung full amount and the processing fee. Pero, after 7 days, kung gusto mo mag-extend, magbabayad ka na ngayon ng 3,000 plus because yung 2,000 na yon is mababawas sa principal. And then, 1,393 yung sa interest. Kasi yun nga, 7 days na interest yan. Every time nag-i-extend ka pang 7 days siya. Pero here's the beauty of it. Charot beauty. Kasi every time mag-i-extend ka, yung sisingilin niya sa'yo is 20% of your outstanding plus the interest ng whatever is outstanding. Kaya yung first mong extend, 2,000 plus 1,393. Kaya yung babayaran mo, 3,000. But rest assured guys, mababawasan ng 2,000 yung loan mo. The next time na mag-i-extend ka, yung 8,000 na lang yung may interest. 20% of that is 1,600. So, on the next mong extend, okay, nagiging yung babayaran mo na lang is 6,400. And then yung interest ng 6,400. So, ganun siya, lumiliit siya ng lumiliit. And on the 24th, kung tama ba yung pagbilang ko dyan, on the 24th, ganun na lang yung babayaran mo. So, kung puro ka extend for the next ilang months, at least yung babayaran mo na lang is 16,000. O, 16, 17, o, di ba mas better siya kaysa dati na parang tatakbo ng palo ng parang 40 plus yung babayaran mo if puro ka extend. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na ang galing ng changes niya, pero extend friendly na siya, guys. At for me, parang hindi pa rin siya totoong installment. Ewan ko, but that's just me. That's how I see it. Pero at least better siya than before. But for me guys, never talaga naging okay yung 1.99. So yung mga vloggers dyan, pwede nyo sabihin installment kung yun yung pagkakaintindi nyo. Pero 1.99, for me parang hindi pa rin siya okay. So I hope meron kayong natutunan sa vlog na to. Yun lang yung gusto kong i-share if you guys are not yet aware. And by the way guys, kung gusto yung i-take yung loan, by the way ha, magko-confirm kayo. And then kung sakaling mag-change yung mind nyo, at least you have 24 hours na ibalik na lang agad yung pera para iwas interest na. Kung gusto nyo, kung mag-change yung mind nyo, applicable to siguro sa mga repeat borrowers na, kasi pag repeat borrowers ka na, wala na kasing 0%. Interest applies na daily. So, kung nag-change yung mind mo, you have 24 hours to return the money. Yun lang guys. And pero sana babaan niya pa more yung interest niya para masabi natin at least okay siya. So, Cash Express is legit. Registered po siya sa Securities and Exchange Commission. You can check the list of recorded online lending platforms dun sa website ni SEC. And guys, si Cash Express po, everything entity po to sa CIC. So, you have to be very careful. Pag-isipan ng mabuti kasi pag hindi ka nakabayad dito, not only nakukulitin ka ng collections, but lalabas to sa credit report mo, which can affect your ability to apply for loans in the future. Again guys, tamang expectations po yung ating focus sa channel na to. And I hope meron kayong natutunan. Alagaan po yung credit history natin para later mayroon tayong opportunity at ma-approve tayo sa mga loan apps that are better than Cash Express. Kung meron kayong mga gustong pasilip, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to see you on my next vlog. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!